Jeremy Owen. I started in the industry in 1999, and after only 7 years did I feel I had enough knowledge and experience to be able to offer my customers a real service. Looking back, it was the right time to do this. I knew I could offer my clients better customer service, and my determination to succeed at offering customers great car audio has allowed me to grow to what you see here today, from where I started with a £5,000 investment 20 years ago. My specialist field is building systems for competition use. I started competing myself in IASCA in 2000 and moved over to EMMA in 2007 when IASCA in the UK finished. I have used the competition scene as an education tool by meeting up with like-minded individuals. We share knowledge and information on products and techniques, and if, when I'm competing, my cars don't achieve 100% for installation, I feel I failed. I treat every car that comes in here as if it was my own. The philosophy's got to be that if you get the installation right the first time, then you don't waste money and time trying to put something right. The customer's happier, I'm happier. Check and recheck everything before handover to the client. I also clean and hoover, so it's cleaner when the customer brings it in, protect surfaces, bumpers, or I think you guys call them fenders, and seats from damage and dirt by using seat covers. Although sometimes it's there to protect me from getting dirty from a customer's vehicle. I like to pay attention to detail, so that means things like matching cable with the correct tape and continuing a theme into the custom installation, which also means matching the materials. This is easy. My journey into becoming a better installer was very much influenced by Mark from Car Audio Fabrication, the YouTube channel. His clear explanation of techniques and methods turned a switch on. It was like a light bulb moment. The industry professional who's inspired me the most can be the one and only Matt Schaefer. He's a former winner of Mobile Electronics Top 50 Installers. He gives a great walkthrough of the installations he's completed, explaining how the installation has evolved from the cosmetic details in the vehicle, and it's basically really inspirational for a guy like me. I don't have any co-workers, I work on my own, but my son and my wife are my biggest critics. My son works in the same building here, doing window tinting and running his own business doing just that. They would say I work all the hours God sends to get a job done by the deadline, including holidays, late nights, but every concept I turn out is an improvement on the last one. They'd also say I'm a perfectionist driven by real passion for my work, which is one of the reasons why I still look forward to going to work each day and the challenges it sets ahead. I was chosen by the President of EMMA UK, that's the European Mobile Media Association, to be one of the installers in the UK's team of 5 in a 48-hour build-off against the Germans to build and tune 2 systems in one car, one for sound quality, one for loudness, and it was all done in an Audi TT, 48 hours. This really starts by listening to what the customer wants and what type of music they listen to and how they want it to sound. But I want them to remember the moment they see and hear their audio system in their car for the first time. I've actually had a grown man in his late 40s crying with sheer delight and happiness from the emotions in the music. He wrote a brilliant review for me entitled "Visit to Highdown Turns to Tears." I don't want to be arrogant to say I should be one of the top 50 installers. There are so many talented guys out there, but it would really encourage me so much in my ambition to be a better installer fabricator. I'd love to be selected as one of the top 50, so that would mean that other people respect the effort that I go to improve my knowledge and abilities, and ultimately the work I do for my customers. I don't know the answer to this one, as it's just me. However, I do follow trends, speak to the other industry experts, and this has led me to adapt what I do and open my ears to new products. This has led me to becoming both a Moscone and Focal Elite authorised dealer. This is my toolbox. Also you've got a laptop on the top here, lights, which you need in Britain. Top drawer is going to be trim removers, release keys, sound deadening rollers and knives. Going down, tapes, drill bits. In here basically we've got multimeters, meter clamp and portable oscilloscope, test light. Below here, filing and hammering, portable Dremel, and here we've got the heat shrink printer, label printer, and old Apple TV that are adapted to work off 12 volt. Coming across, got screwdrivers, Torx drivers, screwdriver bits, T-bars for hex and Torx, a couple of hacksaws, cutters, crimpers and pliers, socket sets, wrenches, or no, you don't call these wrenches, do you? So basically, yeah, socket sets, extension bars, and spanners or wrenches. Got metric and AF. And then everybody's favourite junk drawer, where it's got boxes for everything. Even got an old CliffNet Wizard programmer for alarms and old diagnostic equipment. Moving across is my test and setup bay for the audio systems. So spectrum analyzer, a bit tune, term lab, SMD, distortion meter and signal generator, my proper oscilloscope, 20 megahertz, and then various leads. So we've got RCAs, USBs and test discs, and microphones for the Audison bit tune. In the workshop we've got the pillar drill in the corner, also got the press for pressing out our grills, got mobile solutions, templates, which is a smart frame system going through. We've also got the twin router tables and also got a various assortment of router bits and flush trim bits. It would mean so much to actually just get into the top 50. The recognition, it would really make me want to improve myself so much more just to get mentioned. So thanks for just watching this video. Cheers guys. You